shredder. And what we're using is to shred plastic like this, so it can be processed further into products such as these tiles actually.
Huu ni mtambo inafanywa manually, inatumika kwa kukata plastics.
The way it works, just quickly a breakdown. We have a hand crank like this. It's a number 24 head on it, and it literally just fits into this socket over here. That and I'm gonna make sure it fits, and then that's how it works.
Huu unachukua hii unaweza ita mkono. Huu ni mkono yenye inatumika size 24 spanner, inatumika kwa kuzungusha hii mtambo, inarudishwa hii, alafu inaendelea kutumika. Inaendelea kuzungushwa.
Handle, you'll see the blades, which are on two shafts, two geared shafts, rotating. And what they do is they suck the plastic in. So this is now without the plastic. So let's try this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bunch of plastic in here. You can see some bottle tops, some plastic milk bottles. As I crank the plastic, you'll see I'm just adding all the bottle caps in here. And these are all, and what we've done, we've taken labels off and everything, so they're just clean plastic right now, which is great. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the container underneath it. It's not the perfect size, there's a lot of spillage, but you'll get the point. So we'll put this underneath. And then what I'll do is I'll put the top on, and then I'll just start cranking it.
Huu ni mtambo ambao unatumika kukatakata plastics. Tayari tumejiweka ndani, sasa ni kuendelea kuzungushwa ikikata, alafu inatokea hapo chini zile zimeshakatwa vipande ndogo ndogo.
And one thing you'll see is that you really want to be on a flat surface. This is far from ideal. I'm having to put pressure on here because it takes a bit of torque. So if this is stationary or heavier, you'll be in a better position to do this. So kind of catching, yeah, you can see that that's why we have a top that goes in there. I think there's one more bottle top, and it's slowly getting pulled in. Perfect. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the bottom here and see what came out. So we see, if we look over here, we'll see we have a bunch of plastic over here, and you'll see that some pieces are actually a bit too big, and that's just you know, there's nothing we can do about it. The design of these of the double axle shredding blades means it sort of pulls it through, but once it's through, then it's not going to shred it any further. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this plastic and we're going to put it in one more time.
Zile vipande zile zilikuwa zinakatwa lakini zinatoka size kubwa, unarudisha ndani, alafu unaendelea kuzungusha tena ikikata. Umuhimu ni kupunguza zirudi kuwa ndogo, vipande ndogo iwe rahisi kwenda kutumika.
Okay, and we're actually going to do it one more time. As you can see that already it's a lot smaller. So we're going to bring, and of course you can do this, you know, you might as well just do the whole thing actually. So we'll just sort of put it all. Some of them are quite nice because we'd actually done it earlier before this demonstration, so I'm actually going to leave these ones in for now. But if you do it as one, we're going to put the bucket underneath it, make sure it's lined up nicely, and then we're going to run it one more time. I think it's basically done now, or not quite. Okay. And now if you look at it, what we have here is sizes that we can process properly, and that's it.
Sasa ukiangalia sasa tumeirudia mara tatu. Kuna vipande vidogo zile zimetokea, sasa ziko sawa kwenda kutumika kutengeneza bidhaa sasa.
As far as maintenance, it's actually a very simple machine. What you see is we have a wooden hopper and a wooden exit sort of funnel, and then this is this is stainless steel housing where the shredder blades are housed. What you'll see here is some Allen key locks and some bolts, and it's just a matter of opening up these Allen keys. It comes out, and then you'll see, if you look at the top here, you'll see you can disassemble the whole shredder assembly. So in terms of if a blade breaks or whatever, it's just a matter of it's designed for this assembly. So you'll take it apart and you can put it back together. Put a sieve on top of it with the right hole diameter. It'd be very easy for you to shred, and then whatever's caught in the sieve, you would pour back in here and continue doing it. And that way you can make sure that what you end up getting as your flake size is what you're looking for.